Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Use a 3mm hex key to loosen the screw that secures the handlebar grip. Remove the handlebar grip. Use a 3mm hex key to loosen the screw, fixing the right hand button ABC. Remove the wire harness sleeve. Disconnect the terminal of the right button. Remove the right button. Install the right button. Align the raised part with the notch to connect the terminal. Install the wiring harness sleeve. First, preliminarily tighten the fixing screw of the right button. Adjust the right button to an appropriate position. Tighten the fixing screws. Install the handlebar grip. Insert the screws and nuts. First, preliminarily tighten the screws. Adjust the handlebar grip to the proper position. Tighten the screws. Install the battery.